everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to extract Google auto suggested keyword into Google Sheets. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like when I'm searching for best electric scooter for adults, suppose it give me G's suggestion. Google gave me the suggestion. The previous method is we click on the report in appropriate predictions, copy these keywords and then paste it over here like this. But now let me show you how to extract keyword directly into the Google Sheets. I have written a function. This function, let me copy this and then go to extension app scripts. Just paste your code here and run it. So let me put my keyword over here, best electric scooter for, let me just do it this way, best electric scooter for get suggestions. I put the keyword over here. It will give me all the suggestions extracted from Google. I have different options. Let me extract more keywords. For kids is equal get suggestions, and then the best electric scooter for kids. It will display all the keyword extracted from Google for this specific term. Let me do it for adults. Copy this formula and put it over here. This is B2, so let me just do it for B2. It will give me all the results against best electric scooter for adults, right? So you can just change your best microwave oven for, and it will change this best microwave oven for kitchen, and this will give the auto suggested keywords over here, and then auto suggested keyword for A2. So this is the best method we can use, and it will extract keywords straight from auto Google suggestion, and uh, it can easily do your work. It can help you with the keyword research, of course. So yeah, this is if you want the code to use it, just send me the message and I'll send it to you, right?